Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. After I explored the chocolate hills in the morning, I was really happy because the sunrise was very beautiful. At the same time, nobody was there. Right now, I'm so hungry. I'm going back to the hostel to have a breakfast. At the same time, I can recharge my drone batteries. After I had the breakfast today, I want to visit 3 more places: Guan Cave, Tarsier Conservation Area, Man-made Forest. These attractions very close to each other. It's located only 15 kilometers away from the hostel. That is my agenda today. Okay, you can rent a motorbike over here. You can choose your own bike. 400 pesos per day. It's all automatic. So it looks better. You can choose whatever you like. Let's have some breakfast right now. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. We have a pancake. We have chocolate syrup for that. It's fantastic. Okay, vegetable spring roll, fried egg, some vegetable salad, banana and papaya, cold water as I like it. Okay, it's very good. I'm going to enjoy it. If you come over here, you must try this spring roll. Absolutely fantastic. Crunchy, slightly spicy. I love it. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Maple syrup is much better than the chocolate syrup. I have to tell you, this papaya really refreshing. You should try it. They just plucked from the garden. It's like medium sweet, not that sweet, but it's very nice. Here you can see the menu card and prices. This is the price of the tuk-tuk transportation. Round 2, we are going to the man-made forest. From this hostel, it will be around 17 km distance. So probably 30 minutes to reach there. Let's do it. So you guys are cycle racing? No cycle racing?
No.
No?
Hello.
Hi!
Hello guys.
Hi! See, we have nice kids are there. Ano pangalan mo?
Say hi, April.
Your name is April? Wow, how are you? They are chilling over here in the morning. What is that? Wow. So all the kids over here, very happy. Simple life. They are fond of cycles. See the cycles? Wow. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, sure, yeah, open better. So, the first place we are going to visit Tarsier Conservation Area. Okay, right now we are in Tarsier of Bohol. Look at that. So one big bus is coming. Before I'll go first. Hi, how are you? One ticket. It's regular price 170, student 160, senior citizen 136. Okay, I got my ticket. That's my ticket. There's a seat there, restroom. Ladies and gents. Okay. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Just
Thank
proceed
you.
direct there, guys.
Okay, no flash, huh? Thank you. Silence. The conservation area very small. It is only 50-meter distance. As far as I know, I cannot make too much noise, but very hard to find this animal. It is so small, like a tennis ball type. It is already under the leaf in the shadow, so very hard to get a lighting. It's already very cloudy day. I cannot raise my voice, but there is no other choice. This is the condition, so try to take a video. I don't think so it comes very good. Since the animal is so small, at the same time it looks like it's hiding under the leaf, and so dark the place, very hard to focus on the camera. They are from Korea.
Okay.
For me, 10 minutes enough. Because of the crowd, everybody taking photos and selfies, it takes some time to go around. This is a totally different kind of experience. I didn't expect this. Lucky enough, right now not raining. If it rain, very hard to do this kind of activity. Okay, you have one. Thank you.
Parang gusto ko na. Alam mo yun, ganun na siya dito. Mahugulay.
Let's see the 70 shop.
This is 20.
Wow, that's so big. Exit. Direct exit over here. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Bye. Your buffet lunch available. You can have at the same time you have a smoothie, iced coffee, everything is available right now. 70 shop, snack shop, mango shake, everything available. Even you have a t-shirt for 99 pesos.